Hey everybody, this is the Nathan1996. Hang on. I hate that glitch. You see, I have a TiVo, and you see, well, it's me lying. So, this video was made on Saturday. I got a week for the 2009 Christmas. I still have this DS, the regular DS. I rented this for a whole video game last week. And today, well, the day that this video was made was my cousin's birthday. Well, that was all I needed to do. See you guys later.